MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
Have you ever had that moment where a mechanic suggests replacing a part and you're thinking, is this really necessary or am I just being upsold? Let's take the mystery out of car maintenance when your car is talking to you. Here are 4 key components that keep your car running safely: brakes, belts, wipers, and tires. Knowing when these parts are worn versus working can save you money and, more importantly, keep you safe. Keep your ears open and they'll tell you when they want attention. Now, your brakes are your car's lifeline when it comes to stopping safely. New brake pads, they're thick and solid, but over time they wear down, and when they do, you will hear it. That high-pitched squeak means that they're thinning. If you wait too long, that squeak turns into a grind, and at that point, you're already overdue for a replacement. Now, a quick tip: if the pad is thinner than 1/4 of an inch, or if you hear grinding, it's time for new ones. Don't gamble with your brakes. They're your #1 safety system in your car. Serpentine belts, accessory belts, fan belts, they call them different things, but they're all essentially the same thing. These little guys power your engine accessories, like your alternator, your water pump, your power steering, and even your air conditioning. Over time, rubber belts start to crack. They fray, they slip, and if you're hearing chirping or squealing underneath the hood, that could be your belt trying to get your attention. If you spot visible cracks or hear those noises, get it checked out. A broken belt can shut your car down super quick. Wipers? They're often forgotten until you're driving through a downpour and you can't see a thing. Good wipers, they glide smooth and quiet, and those bad ones, they make that terrible screeching sounds. Rubber blades, they break down fast. It's normal because of the elements: the sun, the heat, the ice, and even tree sap can wear them out. If they're noisy or streaky or chattering, it's time to replace them. Every 6 months or so is a good rule of thumb. Your tires are your only connection to the road. If your tire pressure is low when you're making turns, you can hear it make a screeching sound. New tires have tread depth for traction, but as they wear down, stopping distance increases and grip disappears, especially in the rain. Bald tires are nothing short of dangerous. Shallow tread means you could hydroplane or experience a blowout at high speeds. Check the tire tread monthly. When you do, you're looking at the tread wear indicator bar. If it is flush with your tread, you're overdue for tires. So remember, brakes, belts, wipers, and tires. Don't wait for the warning sound. Check them on the regular. If you've got any questions or comments, reach out to us right here at MotorWeek.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.